What's up, guys? This is the Internet Income Ninja. Happy Monday. Happy Cyber Monday. If you didn't hear from me, or this is the first video you're seeing since last week, happy Thanksgiving, and hope Black Friday was great for you guys. Welcome to the Internet Income Ninja channel, where we talk about making money online. And in this video, we're going to be featuring a lead for an online work position for a company called Deel. And this position is actually an accounts payable bookkeeper at Deel. It is remote, meaning you work from home or you work not in the office. You can be at home, you could be at a coffee shop, on the beach, as long as you have your device and your internet connection that's strong. It is currently 9:43 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on November 29th. So it's the second to last day of November. Christmas is fast approaching. So it's 9:43 p.m. and up until this time, this was posted 5 hours ago. All right, it's full time and completely international, meaning you can work remotely from any country in the world. Awesome stuff. All right, now to learn a bit more about Deel, they will go into some detail in the description of the lead. But to learn more about them, you click that link that I pressed and it will take you to their website. Hire anyone in a new country in minutes and automate onboarding, payroll, and compliance. It's a world-class experience for your business and entire international team. Amazing. All right, amazing. Join thousands of companies that trust Deel to hire, pay, and manage their global team. All right. So Deel does a lot of HR stuff, hiring, onboarding, all that jazz. Now, location again is anywhere. Type of position is a full-time position, and you will be working in the finance department. So who's behind Deel? We're a global team that loves to build and solve problems, especially when it comes to the world of remote work. Made up of self-driven people spanning 50 plus countries, Deel's unified yet diverse culture keeps us continually learning and improving. Companies should be able to hire the best talent anywhere in the world, so we're building the tools to make that a reality. Our market-leading tech expertise and most importantly, the team are crucial. As a whole, we find fulfillment in working together towards our shared mission. So why now? As in, why are they focusing on hiring remotely now? Well, a significant shift has occurred within today's workforce, and with it, business as we know it has drastically changed. At Deel, we see a world without hiring borders, but we needed to find a solution to make it happen. A 30-mile hiring radius should no longer limit how companies hire because great talent lives everywhere. So they're no longer depending on people who live within a 30-mile radius of the office. They're sharing that you can hire anybody from around the world. All right. Along with the quickly accelerating global talent market, Deel exists to stay on top and ahead of all things international hiring to help teams hire, manage, pay, and scale their global teams at rocket speed. As the market leader in international payroll and compliance, Deel's officially raised Series D of $425 million, bringing our valuation to $5.5 billion. There's never been a more exciting time to join the Deel team. All right, so your responsibilities in this role will be to manage the full accounts payable process, including suppliers setup, review invoices, and record them in accordance with company policies and procedures. You'll prepare and process payment cycles, ensure timely payment processing per terms. You'll handle credit cards reconciliation, monitor the transactions, make sure invoices are received and saved, record the transactions in the books. Communicate with suppliers, including reconciliation of payment and invoice discrepancies, securing forms as needed, withholding tax, W-9 bank account confirmations. Assist in the month-end closing process as requested. Other duties as assigned. Now, to qualify for this role, they want you to have 1 to 2 years of accounts payable or GL experience. verbal and written English skills, experience with NetSuite, an ability to work according to predetermined deadlines, highly organized and reliable with great attention to details, and you should be a team player. Now, to apply for this role, what you will do, see this button here? This button here. You are going to press that button. Let's push that button. What will happen is that a page will open up that reviews the lead. All right. They'll go over the things we just shared, and then they'll ask you to apply. So you press the apply for job button, and what will happen is they'll ask you to fill in the fields, right? So you'll enter your name, email address, your best email address, because you don't want them to contact you, and you don't see the email because, I mean, maybe on your phone you're using one particular email to make your phone active, especially if you have an Android and then you didn't have your other email account live, right? So check that out. Upload your resume. And speaking of uploading resumes, if you have a hard time putting yours together, there are tons of templates on a free website called Canva. If you look in the description below, you'll see a link to that. You can press that, sign up, and have access to all these templates. And what will happen is that you can just enter your information in the fields that are provided. Easy peasy. If it says name, you enter your name. If it says age, you enter your age. If it says address, you enter your address, and so on and so forth. Okay? And so you can create those resumes, cover letters, CVs. Click upload, upload them to this thing, and once you've uploaded it, you hit submit. Now, I didn't upload anything, so it won't submit. But because you guys are rockstar internet income ninjas, once you hit submit, it will show you it will accept your application. So guys, that's how you can make money online as an accounts payable bookkeeper. So if you're in finance, accounts, that sort of thing, and you're looking for work from home, check this lead out, share it with everyone you know, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and share. It's free. It's free, and you can use it to make money online. Guys, thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate you. I will definitely see you guys in the next video, and continue to stay safe, and peace out.